Good evening, everybody. What's up, everyone? This is me, Archer's Invader, with your Invaders Nightly News and Weather Forecast for August 18th, 2020. Today is Tuesday, August 18th, 2020, and we'll be talking about Invest 97L and Invest 98L forecast. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share, and smash that notification button, smash that like button, and share the video. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share, and down below. And be sure to follow me on Twitter at InvaderRWF to join our Discord server, FS News, Weather News server. All information is linked in the description below. Welcome to the video, guys. So, I have to go to sleep, so that's why we're not going to do the coronavirus news, but I'm going to do the weather part, and tomorrow we could get to the news since I was really busy today, and my schedule is messed up, so I'm trying my best to do this forecast for you guys. So, right now in the Atlantic, we are tracking Invest 97L and Invest 98L. So we do have a 90% chance formation in the next 48 hours and the next 5 days, and this one has an 80% formation. So we already knew these will form. So this will likely form the next 5 days and the next 48 hours. So this one is going to form in the next 5 days is high, 80%. So we're watching both these systems because these systems could be named as Tropical Laura and Marco. So we're seeing more names in the season, and we could likely use Greek names. Yes, I've been predicting this. We will likely use Greek names. I knew the season would be that bad, and it's already ramping up now. So we are seeing Invest. Let's see. This is Invest 97L. This is Invest 97L. So we're watching Invest 97L, and we're watching this system over here, which is Invest 98L. So this is Invest 98L here. Okay, I'm just gonna draw this. Invest 98L. This is Invest 98L. Here we got Invest 97L. The system's over here. Invest 98L right here. So we're watching both of these systems as these systems expect to track in these directions. So we're watching both the development of the system, the track guidance, timing, what you need to know about Invest 98L or 97L, or Marco and Laura, which is our next season names of the 2020 Atlantic season. So let's get into the video and stop wasting our times. So yes, here are the models right now. So let's talk about these two storms real quick. So let's get to the models here, and let's go to the tropics, see what's going on. So here we're watching Invest 97L and 98L. So these systems have a likely chance of formation, which we predicted in these 5 days. And where the system is going, looks like we got this system going north there, as you can see. Now, we're just going to watch what the models are going to say. So, what are the rainfall rates with the Laura and Marco? So what the models are saying right now is we're indicating we could see a lot of heavy rain going on right there with over here in this region. And it looks like Tropical Marco could bring a lot of rain. So we will be watching those areas as well as the development continues on. So yeah, but you can see the models right there. That could be Tropical Laura right there, or Marco. I'm not sure if it's Tropical Storm Laura or Marco. So let's rewind the models real quick. All right, so that's where let's look for both of these systems. So this is where Invest 97L is, or Tropical Storm Laura, right here. System's tracking this direction. I'm gonna follow its path. Looks like it could bring a lot of rain there. Stay stationary. Goes up north. Yeah, you can see it track there. Goes slightly up north, or this could be Marco's path. It ends right around there. So that's where the system could be going. Could produce a lot of rain. So that's likely what Marco could be producing. So I'm not sure, but this could be Tropical Marco right here, or that could be Laura, actually. It could be a hurricane. So we're just going to watch these models soon, and we'll show you what's going to happen. So these are the models we're saying right now. As we speak, guys, these are what all the models are saying. Now, let's look at these models. They're loading up slowly, so just let it load up. Loading up, loading up, loading up. Alright, all models are loaded up, so I believe this is Tropical Storm Laura right here, or Invest 97L if you want to call it. I mean, Invest 98L 98L, Invest 98L, or Tropical Storm Laura. So yeah, remember, this is Invest 98L, the system right here. That's 97. Sorry if I got the names mixed up, guys. This is 98L. This is 98L right here. That's 97L right there. So, sorry if I get the mixed up names again, because I forgot. I keep getting the switch swap there. It goes back and forth for me, but I'll try to get it correct next time back in the next video, guys. So that's Invest 98L right here. Yes, Invest 98L, I believe. Yes, Invest 98L, guys. System we're watching in Atlantic right now. Invest 98L, and that's 97L. So, Invest 98L looks like the system is gradually moving, and Tropical Laura could make some wins going on, so we're not sure what's going on in the background here. But we're going to watch the wind shear. So, why is wind shear play a major role? So wind shear is a strong high level wind that goes around the Atlantic, so it's like a jet stream. So a lot of wind could cause a storm, which means it will de-strengthen if it enters the wind shear zone, because there's a lot of wind and a hurricane. So because if there's a hurricane and we got a lot of wind shear, then this hurricane could merge with the wind shear and could disappear really quickly. Use the strong jet stream wind, so you can see how much wind going on. Those are 100 knot winds. This could easily kill off a hurricane that quickly, because hurricanes can't stand with with the wind shear. So the wind shear is pretty strong, and this could weaken really fast with a hurricane if it enters the jet stream. Because wind shear and hurricanes do not mix, but they merge. But they do not mix together as one big storm. It's just going to be dissipating that fast. But we're not seeing a lot of wind shear, and development shows that this system could likely be a hurricane. Then it could be likely a hurricane if the wind shear does not stop its path, but it looks like it stays stationary due to this high pressure we had. It looks like this system could merge with the wind shear. You can see Invest Tropical Laura or Invest 98L merging with the wind shear. That's why they don't mix together, but those are really strong jet stream and wind shear going on. Okay, so they're only Invest 98L models since that system looks strong. Looks like the models are getting really active here. So this could be our first major hurricane, so I better be doing more videos on this one. This could be a tropical storm near the Leeward Islands. Looks like a major hurricane there. Category 3 or 2. That's really strong for a hurricane. But it's over the Bahamas right now. Those are really strong winds. You can see the pressure millbars. Some eye right there. That's 9 to 44. That's really low. That could be a category 4 or 3 hurricane. So that's really strong hurricane right there. Category 4 or 3. That's likely a category 3 and 4 right there. Really strong millbars around the system. So that's pretty strong for a hurricane like that. Oh yeah, I forgot to turn off the line do not disturb here. Yeah, I don't want to get any more reminders. So that's really strong for a system. Tropical Laura, this has a great chance of being a category 3 or 4 hurricane. That could be our first major hurricane of the season. These are the HWRF models thing. So Invest 98L could get crazy. Or Laura, Hurricane Laura. We could see the strongest sea system. And we're already seeing August peak, and this could likely be a hazard threat. So we're watching these models. And this could likely form by tomorrow, Wednesday or Thursday. We're going to watch these models, and we're going to make sure you guys get the information and all the details you need to know on what to expect with the system. So we've been in 8 minutes in this video. Good timing here. Alright, let's go to Invest 98L, which is a concern right now for us. This system could likely be a hurricane or tropical storm. Now, here are the Global Plus Hurricane models are saying. So looks like it could do that Hurricane Dorian path again. So I wonder why these hurricanes do the Dorian path, because we've seen Hurricane, let's see, does this remind you of Hurricane Isaias? That made that path too. And this Invest 98 is doing the Hurricane Dorian path. So I don't know why these hurricanes like to do this, but this is where the system is likely to go. Our own cone, not the real NHC's cone, but this is our own cone we made. I just all drew this. So here's our own cones. So the system, we're going to do predictions. So this is not the real National Hurricane Center cone. I'm just making this prediction because it's not ready yet. If you guys look at the graphics, now I'm going to show you. So here's the cone of Invest 98L or Tropical Storm Laura. I don't know how to spell it again. I know it's spelled like that. I forgot to spell it. So this is what the model track guidance is. This will be a tropical storm, as it will be new advisory coming. This will be a tropical storm right over here. Then there should be a tropical storm here by now. Tropical storm, hurricane. We could add another one here. A major hurricane could likely be a major. So my prediction is tropical storms, hurricane, major hurricane. So those are my model track guidance on the FS Rick News. So FRN. This is not real. So I will write NHC, but that's not real. So because I'll show you in this one. But this is the FRN prediction. So my predictions for the 2020 Atlantic season. This is what we're watching. So my predictions for the 2020 Atlantic season, I give you a full detailed forecast. So you guys will love these forecasts I'll make. So I'll just do a prediction of the systems. Draw in red. This is an S. It'll be S right here. There's another S. 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 So you can see where track goes. So where the center goes, we will give you the latest details on the system. So likely could be a hurricane over here, the major hurricane. So this is my track guidance here, the forecast of how this system will intensify. So, and if I draw another line here, should be a major hurricane over Florida. So another Dorian is coming, guys. On the FS News, we'll be tracking the system. It's the FRN. It's the FRN forecast. So tropical storm. The high winds could be at 60 miles when it reaches like right over here, I believe. 60-mile winds. Really, as it gets closer to this direction, then there should be a 60-mile wind gust by this strength. Then it comes stronger here, and hurricane. That's when we get stronger and stronger. So the highest peak should be around this area, according to the model. Saying so that's my own forecast or prediction of how the National Hurricane Center should do it. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you the model track guidance and what to expect. Now the GFS assembles. This is where the system is gonna go along. So this is likely a major hurricane. These could be a category 1 or 2. So this is really strong for hurricane there. This could be likely our first hurricane of the season, and that's where the system is going. Another Dorian path once again, a Dorian path again. Hurricane Dorian, I remember Hurricane Dorian tracked this path. It's doing another path. It's Dorian 3.0 again. So I don't know how many Dorian paths we're going to see, but these are the models we're seeing right now. Until we get more information, we're going to watch. So this is the intensity guidance for Invest 98L. So likely a hurricane, likely a category 5. This model just went up high. Okay, so some models are indicating tropical storm level is possible. We're going to see a tropical storm Laura. Likely name, yes. And what the models are saying is we'll cut some of the models off real quick and do the indication for hurricane models. So let's use these models for example. How many models you can see with tropical force? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 models are agreeing high category major hurricanes. You got 6 models saying it could be likely a hurricane. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 models saying likely this could be a tropical storm. So we could agree to these models. So they are saying this could likely be a category 1 or 2, or maybe a major hurricane. So we're just going to watch in the next few days because this is just going to get really crazy, guys. And the intensity guidance has been acting right now, and it's going to get real crazy soon. Now, what about Marco? We don't want to forget about that system, too. So this likely could be our hurricane category 1 hurricane. This is what the track guidance is showing. Invest 97L. GFS samples here, and the CMC samples. This could make landfall over New Orleans, or on Louisiana, somewhere around over the New Orleans area. That's what the track guidance are showing right there with Invest 97L. Intensity guidance models are saying likely this could be a tropical storm, or one model is saying a hurricane. 2 models actually. So this will likely be named as Marco as a tropical storm, or maybe a category 1 hurricane. We're going to watch in the next few days on how the system will develop and progress in the Gulf of Mexico. So This is gonna be an interesting story, guys, and yeah. So let's look at the analyst models here. Now, before we move on, well, let me talk about the ocean analysts here. Really warm sea surface temperatures in the Atlantic right now. You can see the Celsius really warm temperatures in the Gulf of Mexico. But believe where's Invest 98L. This is Invest 98L. That's 97L, guys. So Invest 98L is like right over here, just south of that area, south of those islands. Me calculation here. So this is my exact location of Invest 98L. So I'm just gonna draw a 9 here and 98. So this is the exact location of Invest 98L, where the system could expect to go. Looks like the system could track north of this direction, then could track this direction. So it will enter the warmer waters right now, Florida, Bahamas. Those will enter the warmer zone. So the warm zone will be right over here. So it will be in the really warm zone going on right now. This is the warm zone we're watching. As the system is in the warm zone, as it enters the 30 degrees Celsius, that's when it gets really warm. This could likely be a major hurricane over the Bahamas. So the Bahamas, get ready. You're about to see a major, big hurricane. And as it approaches this area, should be like remains of the system right here as it enters the cooler waters, really cold waters as it approaches norther and norther. So yeah, those are really cold waters going on. But yeah, so guys, stay safe, take care, and hope you guys listen if you are watching this. And this is Invest 97L here, tropical likely, South Puerto Rico. My map shows the system is like right in the warm waters right now as we speak, and Mars could indicate we won't know where the system is going to go. So go this direction, or this direction. So these areas are on high alert right now on Invest 97L. Could be a tropical storm at landfall. We're going to be watching Marco and Laura because this is going to get crazy. So the season is about to get overhyped. So yeah. That's all from Invader's nightly news and weather forecast for August 18th, 2020. Sorry for late upload if you guys are watching this. So yeah, thank you for watching everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Follow me on Twitter at InvaderRBX and join our FS News Weather News server, Discord server, and have a great day, guys. Thank you for watching, and have a great day, guys. I'll see you guys next video. Bye, guys. Okay. Thank you for watching, everyone. That's all from Invader's nightly news weather forecast. Hope to see you guys next video. Bye, guys.